Hey guys, it's Richard here. Today we will be showing you how to bulk the hood of the Tesla Model Y. At the end of the video, if you like what you saw, don't forget to like, subscribe, and to comment if you have any questions about it. We removed the Tesla emblem prior to the video, and if you have any questions on how to do it, please watch our video on how to properly remove emblems. We are going to start by spraying down the hood and make sure there is no dirt or dust on it. Once it has been sprayed down and wiped, we respray it and squeegee all the water off. When that's all clean, we then respray it again before applying the PPF. If you have help, this will be a lot easier, but in this video, we will show you how to do it alone. What we do is spray the PPF so there is less static when peeling the backing off. Then we peel a little bit of the backing off to squeegee down so that we are able to peel the rest of it off without the film falling. Now that the backing is off, we will lift the PPF and spray soapy water under, and make sure it is well lubricated. Once it is all soapy underneath, we will move the PPF around until it has full coverage of the hood. Once that is done, we will squeegee down the corners so that there is slight tension on the film. We start squeegeeing from the middle and work our way out. Make sure you don't have any giant bubbles that could potentially turn into a crease. If you feel like it's gonna crease or that it is dry underneath, just lift the PPF up again and spray some soap and smoothen it out, just like how we did. When everything is down, we like to respray the top and re-squeegee just to make sure we didn't miss any spots. Once that it is all down, we start trimming the edges. For the top, we like to trim and leave about 1/4 inch to wrap around. For the front and the side of the hood, we like to run our knife along the outer edge of the gap so that we have some film to wrap around. We are going to pop open the hood now and wrap the edges. We like to spray alcohol on the edges and then steam it so that it goes down nicely. Make sure you re-squeegee the edges of the hood to get rid of water bubbles before fully wrapping the PPF around. The steamer does get really hot, so be careful when using it. For the corners, we push down as much as we can and then trim off the excess. Check out our website for information, aftercare, and more. You can buy pre-cuts, rolls, and tools under our products tab. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. If you have any questions about the video, please feel free to comment. Thank you for watching.